In an exclusive chat with NNIS, former Health and Family Welfare Minister A.K. Walia in Delhi spoke on Sandeep Dixit, the strategy of the party against various burning issues plaguing the nation and BJP distribution of seats. Congress candidate and sitting MP Sandeep Dixit on Friday filed his nomination papers from East Delhi Lok Sabha constituency. He was with hundreds of supporters who raised slogans while the 49-year-old submitted his papers. The nomination papers were filed before the returning officer at the Deputy Commissioner's office. Sandeep Dixit is confident of retaining his seat. Sandeep Dixit is seeing a triangular fight where Rajmohan Gandhi is the AAP candidate and the BJP has fielded Mahesh Giri. A.K. Walia, however, is confident. He said the decade-long experience of the leader in the constituency will count.
Well, Mr. Sandeep Dixit has got a experience of 10 years.
And here he knows about the problems of Delhi. I think definitely people will realize this thing.
While there are growing voices for having a graft-free India, A.K. Walia said that even Congress wanted to root out corruption.
When we talk about the corruption, I think every party is becoming strict about it now. And our party has to be also very strict. Those people who do corruption, they should be immediately checked out. Action should be taken against them. And Congress has done so much for the country. And we definitely hope that whatsoever the problems are there, they will be also further tackled.
On the seats declared by the BJP for various senior leaders, A.K. Walia said that the BJP is playing safe.
I think they are trying to play safe, and they are rather playing over safe. That I should say. But, yeah, but every time it happens that they make a lot of hue and cry that they are coming in power, and ultimately it is the Congress which forms the government. I think this thing is again going to happen again.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.